First of all, we want to say a special thank you to Screen Premium Direct for actually sending us this 30-gallon dip tank. They actually incorporate some Ecotech solution. So with the dip tank, this is made from recycled plastic. It's pretty just like all seamed up together, well made. It's chemical resistant, so you don't have to worry about it eating up your tank or anything like that. It's a one-piece guaranteed leak proof. So with the shipment that they send us, they actually send us 2 trays, one on top and one on bottom. We actually took one of those and we add some wheels to the bottom from an old project that we had. We're able to slide the dip tank wherever we need it. We also put these wooden boulders with some old 2x4s that we had so that it can sit in nice and smoothly, and that we don't have to worry about just it being straight on the floor in case it gets cold during the winters or anything like that. So we might paint these black just so it could fit in more aesthetic to the eye, but it's serving its purpose for not tipping over or anything like that. So as you can see, no tilt, especially with the water chemical in here. Don't have to worry about any spillage. And it also comes with the nozzle, but we actually upgraded this one and we had an extra one laying here around the shop. Alright guys, so as we go into the tank, you can see that there's obviously a fill line. Want to make sure we measured where that fill line was at. So I got some measuring tape, measured it out. It's 2 3/4 going down, so I wanted to just kind of put that so I can also do the same inside the tank, so we know where the fill line is at to fill up with the water. Each dip tank has this little kind of holder that holds all your screens from coming up. So I wanted to kind of measure it, how it's going to go. You can kind of put your screen sideways, but I kind of put mine straight up. It kind of leans slanted so it can fit kind of snug. We got our darkroom set up. We actually had a plumber come out to open up a line for us so that we can have running water. And glad we did, because now we're able to fill up our tank with the 30 gallons of water that we needed. So I'm actually running some tests to see the screen kind of lands, and I need to fill up some water. Notice from the screen there was some bubble activation, but bubbles that hurt nobody. So I'm gonna fill up the tank with the dip tank solution. Now there's 3 gallons, so it's 1 gallon to every 10 gallons of water. So we put 3 for 30 gallons in here, and we fill up all the way to the fill line. After we were at the fill line, we peeled off the tape and positioned our new dip tank. And after that, we positioned our dip tank into the spot that we wanted to be at. And now it is in its new hole, ready to do some work. Alright guys, so we got the dip tank set up. Everything's pretty simple. You know, I hope all the information that we provided for you guys helps you guys out. I mean, if we can do it, then you can definitely do it. Now we're about to put this baby to the test. Let's reclaim some screens.
Where you from?
So, for the most part, the dip tank
is a must. I think the only thing for me is that I gotta really dial in the time and see how long I gotta leave it in there. When I was washing it out, again, we're not using a power washer, so we're using just a hose with the nozzle that we have. It washed out pretty good, so maybe if we added a power wash in here, it could really just clean it great. I only had it in there for a minute and it still worked pretty well, so maybe if I dial it up to 3 minutes to see how it comes out. But hey, that's what it's about, is learning. And yeah, man, so it's a must for us, and I think a lot of screen printers out there as well too can agree that this is going to be a great addition to your shop. So big shout out to Screen Print Direct for sending us this equipment, and it has been a great addition to our team and to our shop, and we can't wait to put it in full effect to cut our time in half. And if you guys are interested in your own dip tank, make sure you go check out Screen Print Direct. Link is in the bio. If you type in his way at the end coupon code, you get 15% off on that order. And then also any screen print needs you got, they got you. So make sure you check them out. So again, guys, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.